I've taken on this massive task to search YouTube for the best hand drawing tips, guides and step-by-step videos to bring you the ultimate hand drawing experience. Step 1. Make someone else do the hard work.
Use professional artists. They've already done the hard work and broken down the hands into easier shapes and lines. It's a great way to learn and the first best hack to becoming a better drawer.
Step 2. Back to basics.
It sounds obvious and a little bit boring, but drawing these simple shapes quickly gets more complicated, and being able to draw 3D shapes in perspective will level you up faster in all aspects of drawing.
Step 5. Flat tops, bumpy bottoms.
Thanks to Jazz Art for this one. Noticing these little details, like the tops being flat and the bottoms being bumpy, helps you go from sausage fingers to Spidey level hands. Also, using the 3 lines on top is a great way to measure out the fingers, and make sure you notice when the fingers are straight out, the bumps on the bottom are stretched out as well, and when the fingers bend, the bumps on the bottom are much bigger.
Step 4. Thumbs up.
The thumb can be split into 3 sections, the tip, the middle and the fleshy bit. If you look from this part of the wrist towards the thumb, it often makes like an L shape. Sometimes it's stretched out like a wide L. This is because the thumb is so powerful and it needs a big muscle for thumb wars. Find this part when you're drawing the hand. It makes it much easier to lead into where the thumb is.
Step 5. WIDOFO.
Thanks to Ethan Baker for this one. When in doubt, one finger out. You don't have to draw hands in loads of different positions and make it really hard for yourself. When you're beginning, like I am, try drawing the finger in mittens. Only leave one finger out to draw. It makes things much easier and your hands will look so much better for it as well. And if you do want to get better at drawing, why not check out this video on how to draw faces?